Congratulations if you have just launched your new web app. This short video is perfect for you as we will be discussing how you can promote your app to grow your user or customer base. While this video is tailored for new founders who haven't got much experience or knowledge in marketing, it can be quite basic for many. If that's the case for you, please feel free to skip this video. We'll be posting more intermediate or advanced content in the coming days or weeks. When it comes to marketing channels, there are two types, paid and organic. Paid channels refer to websites or platforms with a massive volume of active user base where you can pay to be instantly shown to your target audience. The most popular platforms are Google, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and in the last 2 years, TikTok. The benefit of paid channels is that you get instant exposure without too much effort. However, the downside is that to get decent outcomes, you may need to spend quite a lot of money. That's why a lot of early to late stage startups spend the majority of their investment on ads to push their growth. On the other hand, organic channels, also known as earned media in many media agency terms, do not require you to spend money directly. However, they require a lot of time, effort, and sometimes money to attract users or customers. Some very popular channels or tactics are search engine optimization, content marketing, social media, email marketing, referral or affiliate marketing, public relations, and others. In later videos, we will also look at more creative ways to tap into channels to get ahead. Sometimes we call that tactic guerrilla marketing. Before looking at specific channels, it's crucial to inspect two things for yourself. 1. What kind of business model do you operate in? And 2, who exactly is your target audience you're trying to serve? Generally, there are two types of app businesses, D2C or direct to consumer, and B2B or business to business. A typical D2C app company would be the like of Uber, Airbnb, Netflix, Instagram, which primarily serves consumers, while B2B companies like Shopify, Bubble, HubSpot, Microsoft build their products around serving business customers. You will need to be clear about which kind of customers you are serving and also clarify exactly who these people are. Understanding their persona and pain points is crucial for your marketing in the future. Once you have a clear idea of who your prospects are, identifying the key channels and running effective marketing campaigns becomes much easier. Again, this is only a short and broad overview of marketing your new startup. In the coming days and weeks, we will be sharing more content on the details of how you can do that, with many detailed examples. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click like and follow so we can notify you when we have new content posted. See you soon.